everyone, and welcome back to Science Week. I'm going to be doing this little experiment I learned how to do about a year ago, and it's very hit and miss, I find, and that's probably because I haven't done it enough times, and especially don't know if this is going to work because I don't know if my freezer, I don't know what the settings of my freezer. It's a new freezer because I moved a little while ago. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be putting these 2 bottles of pop. Obviously they don't have a name, but I'm pretty sure you can guess what they are. And I am going to be putting them in the freezer, and they are going to get so cold, they're going to get below freezing temperature, and they're still going to be liquid, and when you open it, it'll be an instant slushy. I've done this a couple times where it's worked and a couple times where it's partially worked, so hopefully we can see what is going to happen. I'm going to link in the video description below the video where I learned how to do this, so you can see that it doesn't really work if this turns out to be a major fail. So hopefully it'll be a non-fail. So these are 2 unopened bottles of pop. You can do this with any pop or sports drink apparently, because it's the water that is the freezing component. But you're supposed to start off with room temperature pop, but unfortunately I bought these from the store just now and they are a little cold. But I've always used cold in the past, so it should be fine. So what are you gonna do? It is unopened, so these are pure as they can be. The instructions call for you to shake them as much as you can to build up pressure in the bottle. So we're going to shake these until you think that's sufficient enough. And I'm going to do this one. And you definitely don't want to open them right now. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the freezer, and I'm going to put them in for about 3 to 3.5 hours, and we shall see what happens. Like I said, this could be a total fail, but I'm really hoping it's going to be a good one. And as you can see, they are in the freezer, so I didn't want to fool you guys. I am putting them in the freezer right now. So it's been a couple hours, and I guess I left them in there a little too long. I did not anticipate how much my freezer actually worked, but as you can see, they've almost froze all the way through. I mean, there's some liquid in there, but yeah. So unfortunately this is a science fail. I'm really bummed. I really wanted for it to work, but I left them in the freezer too long. So let's see if we can do this. I guess it's working a little bit. I mean, I got most of it's liquid. But it's not frozen all the way, so I think it broke up some, but it's too big for the ice to get out. But it's actually pretty slush-like in here, as you can see. So it kind of worked a little bit. It just was a little too much frozen. Didn't work exactly the way I wanted, but it's still a slushy. I put the mug in the freezer to make it cold as well. So here is the final product. I put one of them in here so I can drink it with a straw because it's cool. And then, you know, so it did turn out to slush after all, but it just didn't turn out the way that I want it to turn out. Like you will see if you click on the video below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.